In this video, we'll show you what the difference is between the online and offline configuration. Open the HyTune app, and then in first instance, if you click on the TA slider picture or on TA slider 160 changeover, we get into the configuration screen of the slider that we are connected to. So here you see we are connected to a slider 160 changeover, and on the bottom we have the possibility to set input signal, output signal, stroke, speed, valve, general, and see the latest errors. On top of the screen here you see live configuration. So now we are live connected to a TA slider, and we are changing, or we would be changing, the settings of this specific slider. Now when we go back to the main screen by clicking on X and not saving the changes, and we click on the bottom of the screen on configurations, then we come into the configuration screen. Now we are able to set a TA slider configuration, and you see on the top of the screen now we are in an offline configuration. We can select the actuator. If you click on the TA slider 160, we can change the TA slider family from 160 to 1250, and we go back, and then in actuator we can set the specific slider we are connected to, in this case a 160, and let's say we change it into a slider 160 plus. Now when we go back to the screen, we can change input signal, for example from proportional to split range and dual range. We can set direct or reverse current and change the signal range. It's the same for output signal. We can set the stroke, the speed, we can set which valve is connected, and the general settings on error, etc. Now when we click on save, we can enter a configuration name. Let's say we'll add test here, and then you see in the configuration screen, in the configuration list, you will see the test here appearing. Now we have the possibility to communicate this to a TA dongle by shifting to the right. You will see that there is a pop-up with a small dongle logo. Voila, if you click on this, then you would send the configuration that you just made to the TA dongle. Or we can change the text, we can delete this configuration, or we can send it via email, even via WhatsApp if needed, to the customer or a colleague, or no matter who needs it. So this is the difference between offline and online configuration. Online is when you're connected to a valve, offline is a preparation phase.